Hey guys, Kapper here, and welcome back to part 2 of this beautiful Canada goose hatching mini series. This is another really fun and kind of exciting video, to be honest. We're going to share this with you guys, and you're also going to get our reactions while we were filming it as it was happening. Oh!
First!
Really fun stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy it, and please share it for us because we really appreciate that. That does help us out. So after this, we're also going to have a couple more parts on how these little goslings are growing up and how many, if any, survive. So let's get into today's episode and let nature do its thing. Thanks a lot. So to bring you up to speed really quick, on part 1 they've been trying to get the geese off of the nest. This took several days, so that's where we're going to continue from, and we also will add our own footage from videotaping this from the house as well. Come on. Come on. There's Dad right there. Okay, I'm rolling. Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, first.
We got one.
First.
Oh, it's in the water.
Yeah, he's in the water. There he is. Okay, Dad, you hang on to him.
Yeah, let's hope we ain't got too many big bass.
You know that's that bass bed right there. Where that shelf is, you know, in the water. Look at him swim. Come on.
Oh, there's another one.
My thing froze. Come on.
Number
All right,
two.
there goes number 2. Yep.
Oh, just plopped right in.
We did it. I got sawdust on me, so I don't want to hug you too much. Come on.
Oh, they are so cute on the water.
Oh. They're like, oh, something to drink. Come on. I wish somebody would push the other one out. Oh, there we go, almost. Come on.
Come on.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, come on.
Come on, number 3, number 3.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. Come on.
There, there's 3 on the
Yep,
raft.
there's 3.
Oh, wow.
He's stuck on the raft, but...
Oh, there's 4.
That's number 4.
We even got, oh, that was a nice jump. Here's another one. Oh, nice dive. Nice. 5. There's 5.
Oh,
There's
stuck
6.
My phone's stuck. Come on. I hope it's recording okay.
I'm sure it is. Oh, yes, we got all 6
There
out.
we are.
And we even got a little sunshine. Wow, look at them beautiful little yellow critters. Oh, nice.
Oh. Okay, I guess I can put it recording. All right, that's the money shot.
I think we got them.
Here, I'm going to put on here. Oh, you can't really label it. Oh, it's too big.
Oh, wow. I can't believe it. What's this, 4 years we've been here? Go up on the concrete. You see that? Look at that. They love the concrete.
Now I need my binoculars.
Gee, how much bagging did I take for that? You're throwing garbage in the pond.
Look at that. They got their own little island.
Yep, away from the bass, but away from predators. Wow.
Look at how fuzzy they are. Oh, they're eating grass already.
Oh yeah, they'll start eating bugs.
Oh, Mom's like, oh, a drink.
I could even see bugs flying around in the camera.
Oh, She's like, yes! Look at them, two proud parents. Well, you guys go for some green stuff. That's all dead.
Wow, that's cool. We got us a hatchlings.
Oh.
Someone's gonna come eat that last egg probably, but that's all right.
Yeah, they said you can go in there and clean it out.
I'd like to see some duck's nest in there now. Wow, I can't believe it. Right here in our pond.
Now, it said at night they sleep in the water.
Well, if they're up closer towards shore, they should be all right.
Wow, look at them.
All right. And
We did it!
So it begins the next phase.
Oh, we did it, honey! I'm full of sawdust, but we did
Okay,
it.
that's all right.
Aww. And a beautiful, sunny, warm day.
Wow.
I'm gonna go outside and do some